Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out one of the most interesting smartphones of the year, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. This one has caught everyone's attention because of its dual-screen design, huge battery, and seriously powerful specs. Let's have a look at its design, display, camera, performance, and everything in between. Right out of the box, the 17 Pro Max feels premium. It's large and solid and weighs roughly 219 grams. The frame is metal, giving that flagship touch with a clean, matte finish. But the real highlight is the dynamic back display, a small secondary screen right beside the camera setup. It's not just for show, you can actually use it for notifications, widgets, music control, or even taking selfies using the main cameras. On the front, there's a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 3500 nits. Xiaomi uses its own M10 display panel with super red luminous material, meaning it's both power efficient and sharp. The secondary back display measures around 2.6 to 2.9 inches. The 17 Pro Max packs a triple 50-megapixel camera setup, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. The main sensor is 50 megapixel and it handles low light really well. Then there's the 5x periscope telephoto lens, also 50 megapixel, perfect for zoom shots without losing detail. And the ultra-wide camera? Also 50 megapixel. On the front, you've got another 50 megapixel camera, which makes selfies and video calls look sharp. Inside, Xiaomi went with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built on a 3nm process. That means top-tier performance whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just multitasking. Yes, it supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5X, and full 5G connectivity. Battery life is another big win here. The 17 Pro Max comes with a massive 7500 mAh battery, which is much larger than what we usually see in flagships. It supports 100-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless, and even reverse wireless charging. In everyday use, you're looking at around 1.5 to 2 days of usage easily, perfect for travel or heavy users. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes in 4 shades: black, white, purple, and green. Each one has a smooth, premium finish, so you can pick the color that fits your style. Whether you like something simple or something that stands out, all 4 options look solid on this phone. You get 2 main storage choices, 512GB and 1TB, both using UFS 4.1, which means fast app loading and smooth performance. There's no microSD card slot, so if you take a lot of photos or record videos often, going for the 1TB version makes more sense. The front screen is protected by Xiaomi Shield Glass 3.0, which, according to reports, performs close to Apple's ceramic shield. It also has IP68 water and dust resistance, so it can handle splashes and accidental drops. Still, since it has 2 displays, using a good case and screen protector is highly recommended. Inside the box, you'll find the phone itself with a pre-applied screen film, a 100-watt charger and USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and warranty card. Some regions might include a protective case. So, that's the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a powerful, bold flagship with a standout design and serious hardware. The dual-screen setup isn't just for show, it's practical and fun. So, what do you think about the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.